This is Rebecca Schofstall, DTI Academy Manager at Digital Thinker. Previously, we shared a quick demonstration on dynamic checklists. Dynamic checklist items are items that remain hidden on a checklist until another checklist item is answered that meets a predefined condition. In the previous video, we shared how to set up a dynamic checklist on a task plan and how to process a dynamic checklist on a work order on the desktop application. Today, I want to share how dynamic checklists appear on both the digital work and EAM offline mobile applications. Let's start with digital work. Here on my screen, I have a checklist. And my first question is asking whether or not this is for a weekly, monthly, or annual PM. And depending on if it's a weekly, monthly, or annual, it's going to control which checklist items appear based on how I have the checklist conditions set up. In this example, if this is a weekly PM, I would want to select weekly, then tap Save. Upon saving, 3 additional checklist items will appear. This is controlled based on how the user responds to my initial checklist item. Now let's say, for instance, this is a monthly PM. So I would switch this to monthly, then tap Save. For my monthly PM, I have the dynamic checklist set up to show the same 3 checklist items from my weekly, in addition to a 4th one to replace the upper gaskets. So here you can see that depending on how a user responds to a checklist item can dictate whether or not additional checklist items appear. Let's look at this same example in the EAM offline mobile application. Here I have the same checklist asking if this is a weekly, monthly, or annual PM. Once again, if I were to start by selecting weekly, in the EAM offline app, my dynamic checklist items will automatically display. And this is where I see the 3 weekly checklist items. Now, if I wanted to switch this to monthly, you'll see that I have the 3 weekly grouped, and then I have the 1 additional monthly to replace the upper gaskets. I hope you found this useful. Just a quick demonstration to show you how dynamic checklists are represented on both the digital work and EAM offline mobile applications. I encourage you to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and please let us know what you would like to see next in the comments section. Thank you.